Okay, my tube. I'm back. The Blizzard Radix and the Albino Checkered Sachi, named Sachi, both females, have seemed to get acquainted and in good standing with each other, so I'm going to offer them food. There the cute little girls are. Check them out. Is that cool? Or is that cool? Put this down here. Try to get y'all the best view possible. Now they've had a chance to settle. I'm going to put this over here where I can kind of set it up a little bit. After they've had a chance to settle, I got them some Vita-dusted food, and I'll offer them. I'll try to give Sachi one first, if she will. Sachi, yep, Sachi will take one. Right off the get-go. I'll offer this other little one. It's such a little piece. Maybe. Hopefully it'll eat. Yep. Hell yes. Just got it earlier today. Y'all haters out there that are garter keepers, seeing me feed them together, don't worry, I will be watching. I will be watching so nothing happens. That is so damn cool. Sachi's able to eat a bigger piece now. That little girl's going to be able to eat that one or not. Time will tell. Shit. Oh, this is priceless, peoples. Priceless. Got you. You want some more? This is Repcal dusted tilapia. So Sachi was the same size as that new Blizzard Radix that I got. But through eating, she grew a lot faster. You okay, darling? I'm gonna get some really good footage for you, my girl. Really good footage for my girl. This little one ain't having no problem eating that bigger stuff. This is where it gets hairy, scary, Carrie. Oh, she got it. Oh, this is where it gets hairy, scary, yep. Damn, that's a big piece for us. Whoa. Holy shit. See, that's where things can get scary. Try to get an overhead view. Garters don't like you coming in from overhead, but mine got a door. Like a mine, I got a door. There's that one. How you like that Blizzard with the paradox spot right there, right on the neck. That is freaking awesome, isn't it? I have no problem taking that down. Sachi's eating bigger fish stuff now. That's not cool. I don't know what is. Hold on, Sarah. I'm making some good video for you, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Come on, I say. Get that view right there. And that's that view right there. I'll try to get another little piece for this little one. Can't eat that one, okay. There you go. Hold on, Sarah. I'll be right with you, my darling. These two are about trying to eat anybody. Looks like. Look, Sarah, you're missing it, baby. You're missing it. That one's trying to be a hog and get it all. Every bit of it. Yep. Sachi's getting fuller, and so is this new Radix. This Radix loves to stop tilapia. It won't be long before the Radix reaches the same size. Yep. That is cool. Thing's acting like it's starving. Ridiculous. Obviously, the more I feed them, the faster they grow. You'll see it's not been very long since we've had Sachi, and I'm not keeping feeding records on them because I'm feeding them every 2 days. Every 2 days to 3 days because they have a very high metabolism and they digest stuff really, really fast. Really, really fast. I wish you could see this knot that they got over here, Sarah. They're all tangled up, so you gotta watch them when they're in feed mode like this, and you feeding multiple snakes together. You can have an accident, and they end up eating each other, and that's not cool. Sachi could definitely eat that Radix. Oh, cool! Did y'all see? Y'all see Sachi wipe her mouth? That is so cool. I'm keeping these garters in all glass containers because they need to be able to see me, because they're very social creatures, and that'll make them where they're nice and calm. It's good to have them nice and calm. Watch out, Sachi, you do not eat your friend. If you want that Sachi, you better get it. No, you're not getting hers. You're not getting hers. You can have this one or none. For some reason, that one's having some trouble eating that last little piece, and it was littler than the other pieces that she previously ate. I don't get it. I know Sachi can eat this piece, if she will. Sachi, you want this or not? I'll take that as a hard pass. I think Sachi's getting full. I think they're both getting full, actually. This one ain't really one to turn down food, though. Gotta feed very little foodstuffs to these. Very little babies. A lot of people use earthworms. I see. The Canadian night crawlers, which are chopped up and safe for garter, but the red wigglers are not. There's something in it that's poisonous to them. I don't remember what it was, but can't remember everything. Last chance, Sachi. Last chance if you want it. Last chance. Suchy, if you want it. You better act now. Suchy. Yep, Suchy got it. Suchy got that one hauled ass with it. She's like, you're not getting this. If you want this, you can have it. Sometimes they crawl around a little bit and get their get it pushed down there good. I think this blizzard is already full. Suchy's definitely full after this one. Suchy will be coming adult soon. Yeah, you can see the size difference. I'm going to zoom out on them. This was the size of Suchy when I got her. This is the size of Suchy now. She is a growing. Beautiful girl. I love that little paradox spot on the neck. That is the coolest thing ever. Whoa, 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 whoa. This one's flighty. Blizzard Radix. So, I've got to get something that is albino or het albino. A male that's het albino. And Blizzard Radix and Checkered to be able to get Checkered Blizzard Radix or whatever. And there's some other hets in here. I forget what they are. But there's no telling what's going to be coming out of these girls. Time will tell. And the fact that this one's see-through, it's amazing. I hope it stays like that in the adulthood. It probably won't, but that would be very cool. Look how fat Suchy is. Little fat tail. Suchy's little fat tail. Let me see, I'm going to offer this Blizzard one more little piece before we go. She may want it. Since she's crawled around a little bit. Nope. Well, that is it. I'm going to get this one uploaded so Sarah can get a up close and personal look at these beautiful beautifuls. She's investigating. She might want something out of that bowl. No, maybe not. If y'all haven't already, like, subscribe, share my video, tell your friends. It really helps. Whoa, Suchy. Oh shit, Suchy's going to go check out in there. Maybe she wants something else. They know I'm fixing to wrap it up. So, this is your last call. If you want anything, you better get it now. You can see this blizzard has a stripe down the whole entire back. See this stripe? That is absolutely amazing. Freaking love that girl. Love, love, love her. Alright, Tyndall's out, people. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Please leave comments. I do read or try to read all of them. Eventually, I do read them all. Alright, Edward Tyndall, Suchy Tyndall, and this girl Tyndall needs a name. So, it's got to be something spectacular. Oh, of course, she's making the male symbol, but she's a female. Alright, we're out here. Hope y'all enjoyed.